Hello, my name is Christian Otis, and I'm going to be presenting the SQL keywords where, from, and. So first we're going to be talking about the from clause. It specifies the table name from where you want to get your data from. The written order is select from, and the execution order is from select. And this matters because it's important to know that just because we write it a certain way doesn't mean it's going to be executed in that way. So it's basically it starts from where you're getting it and then selecting that data. So here's just a little picture of what it would look like just generically. We select the list and then we say from the table name. And to go on with that, here's an example of an employees table. So to select the last name, first name, and job title of these employees, we're going to say from employees, and the output of this is going to be the last name, first name, and job title of all the employees from that employee table. Next, we have the where clause. The where clause is also known as a filter because it filters the data that you want to select. The written order for this is select from where, and the execution order is going to be from where select. And operators are used in this clause as conditions. So as you see here, we have the equals operator, less than, more than, or the exclamation point with the equal sign also meaning not, so not equal to. And then we have less than, greater than, and then less than, equal to, or greater than or equal to. And we'll see on the next slide why that's important. But a generic view of this would be select the list from the table name, and then where is where we're going to put that conditional statement. So we have the same employees table, and we're going to want to grab the job title. We're going to filter the job title that is all the sales reps from the employees. So we're going to select the last name, first name, job title from the employees table. And then, like I said, we're going to get all the job titles that are sales reps. And the equal sign there is showing that it's going to equal that. And so this is the output we get. All the employees that are pulled are sales reps. And then with the and operator, we talked about like the less than or equals than and everything like that. But the and operator is pretty cool because it can specify more than one thing that you want to grab from the data. So this is a logical operator, and since MySQL doesn't have built-in Booleans, this is basically the solution to that. So it combines two or more Boolean expressions and returns 1, 0, or null. So with this little table here, we see that if both return true, then it's true. If only one returns true and the other false, then it's going to be false. And then if one is null and one's true, then it'll return null. And the same thing goes back with the false. So it cannot be true unless both are true. So same thing here. We are using the employees table still. So we want a sales rep and the office code that is 1. So when this is used as an input, we're only getting back 2 employees now because both of them had the office code 1 and are sales reps. So if the office code wasn't 1 or the job title was not sales rep, we will not see that returned. And everything I used for the figures are in these citations, and I'm going to link the PowerPoint so you guys can see how to do that, because if you click on these links, it'll take you to this tutorial, and then you can actually try from the tables, and you can try the input statements and see what you get back. And also it allows you to download this database for free, so you can take a look at how it's all set up and the different things that you could pull from that. So go ahead and check out these websites. They're extremely helpful. And that's everything. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, please ask, and I will do my best to answer them. Thanks.